Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. Hospital Graveyard Shift, Part 3. Weeks passed and everything was okay. One Saturday, the young woman was working the graveyard shift again, but this time she was in the dialysis ward. She was walking down the corridor when she heard someone shout, "Shaw!" her last name. She quickly turned around and answered only to see nobody there. She grabbed her phone to see if she could try to catch something. She took the picture, but when she checked, she didn't see anything. Time passed, and she forgot about the pictures. On her day off, she was going through the pictures in her phone when she saw an almost invisible image. It looked like a man peeping from around the corner by the corridor. She got a next one of him standing beside her. It looked like he was smiling, but she could hardly see it. She sent the pictures to some friends and nurses, but everyone said that they didn't see anything. They all thought that she was playing with them. When she got to work, she was on the 3 to 11 shift. She went to her coworkers and showed them the pictures on her phone. They saw it. They told her that it was Johnny from Saba. The funny thing is that Johnny was in love with her when he was alive. He always told everyone that he was going to marry her. She always laughed because she knew he was joking around. Johnny had passed from a heart attack on the dialysis bed when he was getting his kidney cleaned. Up to this day, she can still feel Johnny following her. She doesn't work at that hospital anymore, but she does smell his cologne now and again.
Like and follow for more.